Welcome back friends, this is Current Affairs Funda, Free Education Revolution. So today I will be teach you time and work remaining parts. So guys, subscribe this channel for more updates. Okay, so this is the time and work session number 5. So before that we have already covered 4 sessions. Okay, so I will recommend you to watch all the 4 parts after watching before watching this video. Okay, so this video is really very important as per the concern of competitive exams, SSC or CGL or any banking exams. Okay, so today I will be deal with the efficiency based problems. Okay, so let's go. First question is here friends, the work efficiency of A and B are in the ratio that is 7:3, 7:13, and together they can complete a work in 28 days. In how many days A alone can complete the work? Okay, so I hope if you are watching this video first time, then you don't know the meaning of efficiency. That's why I'm telling you, watch all the parts 1, 2, 3 and 4. So in the playlist section there is a folder of time and work. Okay, so inside the time and work we have already uploaded all these 4 parts. Okay, so basically the meaning of this question, that is the work efficiency of A and B are in the ratio 7:13. Efficiency, that means 1 day work. Okay, so 7:13, that means A is doing 7 work per day. Okay, and B is doing 13 work per day. Okay, so what will be the combined efficiency of A and B? The combined efficiency of A and B, it will be 7 plus 13, 20 work per day. Okay, so we can also conclude from these two efficiencies the combined efficiency of A and B, that is 20 work per day. Okay, and friends, question is saying and together they can complete a work in 28 days. Okay, that means if A plus B will work for 28 days, okay, then the total work done by these two, 28 into 20 work per day. Okay, so total it will be this one. And friends, question is asking in how many days A alone can complete the work. Okay, so A alone can complete the work in 28 into 20, that is the total work. Divide the what is the efficiency of A? Efficiency of A, that is 7. Okay, so divide by 7, 7 4 times, and 4 into 20, that is 80 days. Okay, so A alone will take 80 days. Okay, and if we are talking about how much time will B take, if question like another way, so B alone can complete the whole work in, we can say 28 into 20 divided by the efficiency of B, that is 13. So the total number of days by B, it will be this. Okay, so friends, this is the shorter way to solve this kind of problem, but you don't need to follow this method in your exams. I will give you a shortcut method here. See how you will do. Suppose the efficiency of A and B, that is given 7 and 13. Okay, so add both the efficiencies, it will be 20. Okay, so they can complete the work in 28 days, that means 20 into 28. And question is asking in how many days A alone, that means divide the efficiency of A, that is 7 by 7, so it will be 4 times 4 into 20, that is 80 days. Okay, you just need to do a little calculation, a little bit calculation in your upcoming exams. Okay, you don't need to write all the theoretical process. I have also given the basic fundamental, what is the actual meaning of all these terms here. Okay, so you avoid all these steps before that I have done for you, that only for the purpose of understanding, follow this unique method. Okay, I hope you understand this one problem. Now let's move for the second issue. देखिए फ्रेंड्स, अगर A और B की इफिशिएंसी का मतलब होता है एक दिन के काम करने की क्षमता, वो 7:13 में दी है, तो A और B की कितनी हो गई 7:13 में. ये कह रहे हैं दोनों मिलकर काम करते हैं 28 दिनों में, तो इफिशिएंसी दोनों की कितनी हो गई 20. अब दोनों 28 दिन तक काम करते हैं, तो 20 इंटू 28, 20 इंटू 28, ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो गया. A से अकेले काम कराना है तो A से डिवाइड कर दो. अगर यही क्वेश्चन पूछता है इन हाउ मेनी डेज B एलोन कैन कंप्लीट द वर्क. Okay, so divide the efficiency of B, that is 13. Okay, so it will be B's answer and it will be A's. Okay, so follow these steps to solve such kind of problems. Now let's move for the problem number 2. प्रॉब्लम नंबर 2 की बात करते हैं. मोहन इज 7 टाइम्स एज गुड एज अ राधा. ओके, सो मोहन इज 7 टाइम्स एज गुड एज अ राधा. M stands for Mohan and R stands for Radha. Mohan is 7 times. If Radha is 1, then Mohan is 7. Okay, so these are the efficiencies of Mohan and Radha. If Radha can complete the work in 48 days. Okay, so what is the combined efficiency of both? 7 plus 1, that is 8. They are doing combined format, that is 8 efficiency work. And friends, if Radha can complete a work in 48 days, the efficiency of Radha, that is 1. So 1 into 48, it will be the complete. Okay, and friends, in how many days they can complete the work? Okay, question is asking in how many days Mohan and Radha can complete the work together. So efficiency of Radha and Mohan, that is 7 plus 8, that is 8. So divide by 8. So Radha plus Mohan. Okay, so they will be 8 6 times 6 days. They will take 6 days combined to complete the work. Okay, so देखिए क्वेश्चन ये कह रहा है कि मोहन जो है 7 गुना ज़्यादा है राधा से. अगर राधा 1 यूनिट इफिशिएंसी में काम करती है तो मोहन 7 इफिशिएंसी में काम करता है. और इसमें दिया है राधा कैन कंप्लीट द वर्क इन 48 डेज. इसका मतलब कि 1 इंटू 48 की वैल्यू हमें टोटली हमें दिया हुआ है 1 इंटू 48. अब काम किससे करवाना है? दोनों से मिलकर कराना है, राधा और मोहन से. तो दोनों की कॉमन फ्रीक्वेंसी कितनी, इफिशिएंसी कितनी है? 8 है, तो 8 से डिवाइड कर दो, तो ये जो आंसर आएगा 6 डेज. दैट इज द शॉर्टर वे टू सॉल्व सच काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स. नाउ फ्रेंड्स, सी प्रॉब्लम नंबर 3. Problem number 3 is like A is 30% more efficient than B. Okay, we can say like this: there are only 2 persons. Suppose B is 100%, then A is 30% more than. That means A is 130%. Okay. So friends, percentage it will calculate, and 0 it will be cancel out. So 13 and 10 it will be the efficiency of A and B. Okay, so what will be the combined efficiency of A and B? It will be 23. Okay, and they can complete the work in 39 days. That means 23 into 39, that will be the total work. And in how many days? A alone. We are taking about the A alone. That means divide the efficiency of A. Efficiency of A, that is 13. So divide by 13. 13 3 times. 23 into 3, it will be 69 days. ओके, सो दिस इज अ शॉर्टर वे सॉल्व सच काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स. देखिए A अगर 30% ज़्यादा है B से, इसका मतलब A अगर B 100% है तो A 130% हो जाएगा. यहाँ पर मोर की बात हो रही है, मोर देन. अगर क्वेश्चन लिखा होता है कि A इज 30% ऑफ B, तो इसका मतलब होता है कि अगर B 100 होता तो A 30 हो जाता, लेकिन ये कह रहा है 30% मोर देन. ठीक है, तो B अगर 100 है तो A कितना हो जाएगा? 130 हो जाएगा. और इनकी अगर रेशियो निकालेंगे तो 0 0 कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा. 13:10 का अनुपात आएगा. A की इफिशिएंसी 10 है, B की 13 है. ठीक है, दोनों की कंबाइंड कितनी हो जाएगी? 23 हो जाएगी. अब क्वेश्चन ये पूछता है दोनों मिलकर 39 दिनों में काम करते हैं, तो 23 इंटू 39 में कंप्लीट करते हैं. क्वेश्चन करवाना किससे काम चाहता है? इन हाउ मेनी डेज A एलोन. A से करवाना चाहता है तो 13 से डिवाइड कर दो. ठीक है, अगर क्वेश्चन कहता है इन हाउ मेनी डेज B एलोन, तो आपको B से डिवाइड करना होता. 13 की जगह आप 10 लिख सकते थे. ओके, नाउ लेट्स मूव फॉर द प्रॉब्लम नंबर next, that is 4. A is 50% more efficient than B. Okay, that means there are 2 persons, A and B. If B is 100%, then A will be 150. Okay, 0 and 0 it will be cancel out, and we can say 3:2. The ratio of the efficiencies of A and B, it will be 3 and 2. Next, read friends. A is 50% more efficient than B, and B is 25% less efficient than C. Okay, so there are 2 another person, B and C. If C is 100%, okay, then B is 25% less than. Okay, that means we can say B, it will be 75%. Okay, so friends, if we divide, it will be 25 3 times and 25 4 times. Okay, so the ratio of A is to B, that is 3:2, and ratio of B is to C, that is 3:4. Okay, so what will be the common ratio of A is to B is to C? Okay friends, in the percentage section I have already teach you how to combine the 2 ratios Okay, so here I'm again telling you, so the ratio of A is to B, that is 3:2, and ratio of B is to C, that is 3:4. Okay, 3:4. So this place is backend, so copy 2 from here, and this place is backend, so copy 3 from here, and friends, multiply all the digits. 4 into 2, that is 8, 3 into 2, that is 6, 3 into 3, that is 9. So the ratio will be 9:6:8. So the ratio of A is to B is to C, it will be 9:6:8. And question is saying if C alone can complete the work in 30 days. Okay, so that means we can see the efficiency of C, that is 8. So 8 into 30 days, that will be the total work. And in how many days A and B can complete the work? The combined efficiency of A and B, it will be 9 plus 6, it will be 15. Okay, so divide by 15. So A plus B will do in 8 into 30 divided by 15, it will be 2 times 8 into 2, it will be 16 days. That will be our answer. Okay, so follow only this method in your exams. Okay, because this is really very precise method and I am delivering to you. तो क्वेश्चन ये कहता है कि A जो है 50% B से ज़्यादा एफिशिएंट है, तो B अगर 100 है तो A 150 हो जाएगा. 0 से 0 कैंसिल आउट किया, 5 से डिवाइड किया 3 टाइम्स, ये 2 टाइम्स, तो 3:2. अब नेक्स्ट लाइन कहता है कि B जो है 25% लेस इफिशिएंट है C से, तो अगर C 100 है तो B कितना हो जाएगा 75. अब 25 से 3 बार कटा और 25 से 4 बार, 3:4. अब देखिए A रेशियो B दिया है, B रेशियो C दिया है, तो यहाँ से हम A रेशियो B रेशियो C निकाल सकते हैं. तो देखिए A रेशियो B मैंने कितना लिया 3:2 लिख लिया यहाँ पर. अब B रेशियो C कितना लिख लिया 3:4 लिख लिया. तो देखिए यहाँ पर आपको एज इट इज कॉपी कर देना है 2 के बराबर वाली जगह पर. 3 के लेफ्ट साइड पर जो बराबर जगह खाली है इसमें 3 कॉपी कर देना है, क्योंकि हमें नियरेस्ट वैल्यू कॉपी करनी है. 4 into 2 8 हुआ, 3 into 2 6 हुआ, 3 into 3 9 हुआ. देखिए मैंने रेशियोज को कंबाइन करना एक वीडियो में सिखाया है, तो मैं आपसे यही कहूँगा कि आप पहले उस वीडियो को देखिए ध्यान से. ओके, तो यहाँ से हमें कितना मिला 9:6:8 A रेशियो B रेशियो C मिला. क्वेश्चन कहता है C एलोन कंप्लीट द वर्क इन 30 डेज. इफिशियंसी C की कितनी है 8 है, और अगर वो 30 देर तक काम करेगा तो 8 into 30 हो गया. अब क्वेश्चन कहता है कि इन हाउ मेनी डेज A एंड B कंप्लीट द वर्क. A और B कितने दिनों में काम कंप्लीट करेंगे, तो A और B की कंबाइंड इफिशियंसी कितनी है 9 plus 6 15. 15 से आप इसको डिवाइड कर दें तो ये 2 टाइम्स किया, 8 into 2 कितना हुआ 16. 16 डेज में A plus B काम को खत्म करेंगे. ओके, now let's move for the next problem friends. This is problem number 5. Problem number 5 like saying A is 50% more efficient than B. Okay, A is 50% more efficient than B and C does half of the work done by A and B together. If C alone does the work in 40 days, in how many days they can complete the work working together? So friends, this question is very tricky and very important. So first of all, pause the video, solve this question by yourself. If you are unable to solve this problem, then I will decode you. So my solution, I will solve this problem in 2 ways. First, traditional way. Second, a very efficient shortcut. Okay, so first of all I am solving this problem in traditional ways. Okay, so there are basically 3 persons A, B and C. A is 50% more efficient than B. Okay, suppose B is the value of B, that is 10. Okay, A is 50% more efficient, that means A it will be 15. Okay, and question is saying C does half of the work done by A and B together. If A is 15, B is 10 and they are doing 25 unit work. Okay, so C will be half of the work. Okay, C does half of the work done by A and B together. Okay, so A and B they are doing 15 plus 10 25 work, so half of 25 it will be 12.5. Okay, so C will do 12.5. Okay, so all the equation is satisfied as per the given equation. If C alone does the work in 40 days, okay, that means we can say C is doing 12.5 efficiency work. Okay, that means if C is doing in 40 days, that means we can say 12.5 into 40. Okay, in how many days they can complete the work working together? They, that means A, B and C. Okay, so the combined efficiency of A, B and C, so add 15 plus 10, that is 25. 25 plus 12.5, it will be friends 37.5. okay, so divide by 37.5. so we can say A plus B plus C will do in this kind of work. okay, so it will be approx not it will be exactly 3 times, and your answer will be 40 by 3 days. okay, so friends, if you want to avoid this solution, then there is a shortcut for you. See, A is 50% more efficient than B. okay, this equation doesn't matter in this question. okay, C does half of the work done by A and B together. Suppose A plus B and C, there are basically two entities, A and B and C. C is doing half of the work. Suppose A plus doing 2 unit work, then C will be 1 unit work. okay, the condition is satisfied as per the given equation. Because A is 50% more efficient than B, this relation doesn't matter in this question. okay, so A plus B doing 2 unit work, and then C will be half, C will be 1. okay, so the combine, it will be 3. okay, A plus B plus C 3 unit. C alone does the work in 40 days. The efficiency of C, that is 1 into 40. okay, and in how many days they can complete the work? They, that means A plus B plus C. Combined efficiency is 3, so divide by 3, so it will also 40 by 3. okay, so avoid the previous solution and follow this one, because this is really very precise, and just put your logic. okay, I hope you understand this problem. देखिए friends, A जो है 50% B से ज़्यादा एफिशिएंट है, और C जो है आधा काम करता है A और B का. तो अगर हमने मान लिया A और B दो एफिशिएंसी में काम करते हैं, तो C कितना करेगा? आधा B का 1 करेगा, और A प्लस B प्लस C तीनों मिलकर कितना करेंगे? ये 3 यूनिट काम करेंगे. क्वेश्चन ये कहता है C एलोन जो है 40 दिनों में काम करता है. C की एफिशिएंसी कितनी है? 1, तो 1 × 40 में काम कर दिया. अब करवाना किससे है? इन हाउ मेनी डेज दे कैन कंप्लीट द वर्क वर्किंग टुगेदर. दे, दैट मीन्स A प्लस B प्लस C कितने में करेंगे? तो 3 से इसको डिवाइड कर दो, 40 by 3 डेज, ये हमारा आंसर आ जाएगा. ओके, नाउ लेट्स गो फॉर द प्रॉब्लम नंबर 6. प्रॉब्लम नंबर 6 is friends, A does half as much work as B in 3/4 of the time. okay, this is very important question, and this question is from SSC CGL previous years. okay, and this is really important as per the exams of railway also. So first of all, read the question very carefully. A does half as much work as B in 3/4 of the time. That means there are basically two entities, A and B. okay, if we are talking about the work, A does half work, that means B is doing 2 unit, then A will be 1 unit. okay, and they are taking time 3/4 of the time. That means A is taking 3 and B is taking 4. That means we can say 3/4. okay, so work is given half, time is giving 3/4, A and B relation. okay, if together they take 18 days to complete the work, in how many days can B complete the work working alone? So first of all friends, you have to calculate the efficiency here. okay, so what will be the efficiency of A and B? First of all, cross multiply this one. okay, and this one will be here. So 4 into 1, that will be 4, and 3 into 2, it will be 6. So further simplify this one, so it will be 2:3. so this will be the efficiency of A and B. So friends, this is the shorter way to calculate the efficiency if work and time is given. okay, so the combined efficiency of 2 plus 3, it will be 5. okay, question is saying if together they take 18 days. okay, that means together A plus B, they will take efficiency, that is 5, and they are taking 18 days. okay, question is saying in how many days can B? So what is the efficiency of B? That is 3. so divide by 3, it will be 6 times 6 into 5, it will be 30. so B will do in 30 days. so this is the right answer. okay, देखिए क्वेश्चन कहता है कि A जो है वो आधा वर्क करता है B के कंपैरिजन में 3/4 दिनों में। तो ए और बी दो एंटिटीज है हमारे पास में, वर्क कितना है हाफ, तो ए 1 करेगा, बी का आधा, मतलब बी अगर 2 करता है तो ए 1 करता है। टाइम लेते हैं 3/4, तो टाइम कितना हो जाएगा, ये 3 हो जाएगा और ये हो जाएगा 4, 3:4 रेशियो में। इफिशियंसी कितनी हो जाएगी, मैंने आपको बताया क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करनी है, 4 की 1 से ये आ गया 4, 3 की 2 से ये आ गया 6, इफिशियंसी कितनी हो गई 4:6। अब देखिए 4:6 ये प्रॉपर रेशियो नहीं है, इसको आप फिर से सिंप्लीफाई करिए, 2 से डिवाइड हो जाएगा, 2 2 ज़ा 4, 2 3 ज़ा 6, 2:3, दोनों का एडिशन कितना आया 5, ये कंबाइंड इफिशियंसी हो गई ए और बी की। क्वेश्चन कहता है ए और बी 18 दिन तक काम करते हैं, तो जैसा मैंने आपको पहले पिछले सिखाया था पीछे में, ए प्लस बी अगर 5 इफिशियंसी में काम करते हैं तो 18 दिन तक काम करेंगे, 15 × 18। अब काम किससे कराना है, बी से काम कराना है, तो बी की इफिशियंसी से डिवाइड कर दो, बी की इफिशियंसी कितनी है 3 है, 3 से डिवाइड करा, 3 6 टाइम्स 6 × 5 दैट इज 30 डेज। तो इस क्वेश्चन को बेस्ट इस तरीके से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। नाउ फ्रेंड्स लेट्स मूव फॉर द नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम, दैट इज प्रॉब्लम नंबर 7 हियर। ओके, so A does 1/3 as much work as B in 4/7 of the time. This is just the problem similar to the previous one. So suppose there are two entities A and B, and they are taking 1/3. That means B is taking 3 work and A is taking 1 work. Okay, so ratio of A is to B, that is 1:3. Okay, and friends what will be the time, they are taking time, that is 4/7, that means 4/7. B is taking 7 and A is taking in the 4 ratio. Okay, so what will be the efficiency, cross multiply 7 × 1 it will be 7 here, and 4 × 3 it will be 12. Okay, so what will be the combined efficiency of A and B, it will be 12 plus 7, that is 19. Okay, and next is if together they take 21 days. Okay, that means the efficiency of A and B, that is 19, so 19 × 21, that is the total work. Okay, in how many days A complete the work alone. Okay, that means divide the efficiency of A, that is 7, so divide by 7, it will be 3 times, and 19 × 3 it will be 57 days. Okay, so this will be your right answer. तो देखिए इस क्वेश्चन में क्या करना है, A 1/3 काम करता है एज कंपेयर टू B। अगर B 3 यूनिट काम करता है तो A कितना करेगा 1 यूनिट, ये रेशियो हो गया 1:3। ये करते हैं 4/7 ऑफ टाइम में, तो अगर B 7th ले रहा है तो A 4 ले रहा है, तभी तो होगा 4/7। इसको हम लिख सकते हैं 4/7, इसको हम लिख सकते हैं 1/3। दोनों को ऐड किया, सॉरी इफिशियंसी निकालने के लिए क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, 7 × 1 7 एंड 4 × 3 12, दोनों इफिशियंसी को ऐड किया 19 आया। अब ये 21 दिन तक काम करते हैं, तो 19 × 21 टोटल वर्क हो गया। काम किससे करवाना है A से, तो A से डिवाइड कर दिया 7 से, तो 7 से 3 टाइम्स गया, 19 × 3 57 डेज। ओके, सो दिस इज द some problems related to efficiencies. I hope you understand this one, and friends please like this video. If you understand this video, then that's why we can understand what our audience are getting or not. Okay, so please do comment also if you feel any kind of difficulties. Our team will definitely reply to you. सबसे पहले अगर आपको ये वीडियो बहुत पसंद आया है तो आप इसको लाइक करिए, जो भी आपके व्यूज़ हैं सजेशंस हैं इस वीडियो के बारे में ज़रूर कमेंट बॉक्स में दीजिए। Thanks friends, do like, do comment and do share. Basically we are preparing these videos for all those who are preparing from home and cannot afford the coaching classes. Okay, do subscribe this channel, that's why this channel can reach to a lot of students. Okay, thanks guys for watching this video. Have a nice day. Kindly watch the next part of efficiency, some higher level problems in the part 6. Okay, so part 6 we will definitely early upload for you. Okay, thanks guys for watching this video. Have a nice day.